You got me jumping like
Parasitism and positive interaction.
Absolutely, parasite is a bad thing if you're the individual infected by them, but they are very natural component of ecosystem. Parasitism is the most popular animal lifestyle on the planet, and is a negative type of population interaction which belongs to the exploitation category. In exploitation, one species harms the other by making it direct or indirect use of shelter or food.
What is parasitism?
Parasitism is generally defined as a relationship between the two living species in which one organism is benefited at expense of the other. The organism that is benefited is called the parasite, while the one that is harmed is called the host. A few examples of parasites are tapeworms, fleas, and barnacles.
What is the positive interaction of parasitism?
There are two types of positive interactions, mutualisms and commensalisms.
Commensalism, a relationship between individuals of two species in which one species obtains food or other benefits from the other without either harming or benefiting the latter. The commensal, the species that benefits from the association may obtain nutrients, shelter, support, or locomotion from the host species, which is unaffected. The commensal relation is often between a larger host and a smaller commensal. Example, Remora and Sharka. Remora echinus nocrates and its host, a zebra shark Stygostoma fasciatum. By attaching itself to the shark, the remora is carried along by the shark, allowing the remora to travel to different areas without having to expend its own energy to swim. The shark is completely unaffected by the remora's presence. Mutualism, association between organisms of two different species in which each benefits. Mutualistic arrangements are most likely to develop between organisms with widely different living requirements. Example, mutualism between acacia ants Pseudomyrmex ferruginea and the bullhorn acacia Vachellia cornigera, or swollen thorn acacia. The plant provides food and shelter to the ants, and the ants defend the plant against browsing animals.
What are the type of parasitisms?
First type is obligate parasitism. The parasite is completely dependent on the host to survive. For example, head lice will die without a host.
Second type is facultative parasitism. The parasite can live independently but also live off other organisms. A roundworm can infect mammals or live free.
Third type is social parasitism. This happens with social insects like ants, where they use their friends to raise young or work. For example, Tetramorium anquilinum is a type of ant that rides on the backs of other ants. Last type is brood parasitism. This happens among birds, where they will lay their eggs in another bird's nest and make them raise their young. Cowbirds and cuckoos are famous for this.
And that ends our video presentation. See you on the next vlog. Goodbye.